Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if TCL Plex supports dual SIM. Yes, TCL Plex does support dual SIM. You can put two physical nano SIMs in, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you'll need a SIM card tray opener, either the one included in the box or any other one, or if you don't have any, you can use any needle that you have at home that will fit the hole, which is here below the SIM card tray. The SIM card tray is on the left side of your phone. Put the SIM card tray opener or the needle into the hole. Then you can take out this tray, and this tray has two spaces. The one may be occupied with a SIM card, and the other one can either have a SIM card or an SD card. I'm gonna show you how to put a SIM card or an SD card in it. So you'll need to take the nano SIM size, so the smallest size, and into SIM 1 slot here you can only put a SIM card like that, and here it can be either an SD card like that, or if you don't want to use an SD card, you can use a SIM 2. Do it, place it like that, and now you can put these two into your phone like that. Okay, and now these two SIM cards are in and they are connecting to the network. I can choose which SIM I want to use for data, and they are connected. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.